Hey there, everyone. It's MJ. I hope you are all doing well. I wanted to come in here and make a little video because I've had a busy week, and now the weekend is really when I try to do all of my filming. So I got something in the mail last week, and I saved it to show you all today. So let's check it out. So I'm not gatekeeping this. I saw this over on TikTok and I was like, ooh, I need to find one. Isn't it cool? Look at the colors. Yep. It's a blank journal. This company is called About Blanks, and they're based, I want to say they're based in Denmark, Amsterdam, somewhere. And these are old books, textbooks, literary fiction, all kind of different books that are ready for recycling, ready for the boneyard, ready. They're just tossed, and they repurpose them. They repurpose the covers with journal pages. So this one comes with, which is kind of cool. It has like a little borrower's name card to it. And then it just says About Blanks on it. That's it. And it's a blank journal. This is going to be my Commonplace journal. And I don't know if I'm going to start it now or if I'm going to hold it until January. I don't know. I may just start it now, and then when I fill it up, I mean, it's not that big, but when I fill it up, I could get another one. Now, there are certain places in the United States that sell them. I will leave the link in the description box. This is an awesome gift for the gift giving season to someone that you know is a journaler, is a planner, loves to take notes, wants something different. Like if you stack up a whole bunch of these on your shelf, it's amazing. Number one, nobody's going to know that they're journals unless you tell them. Number two, they're so different and so unique. We're actually going to go over to my desk and we're going to just try. I'm going to get a page in the back and we're going to try to see what the ink looks like. Okay. But these are about $35, which is expensive. I got this secondhand. Someone was selling it and I scooped it up, and I had a $5 credit on the website, and I found either a 10 or 15% coupon. So it came down to like 25, and I'm like, I'll pay 25. Like, I'm okay with that. It's not 36. I'll pay 25. It might have even been cheaper. But I said, you know what? Why not? Why not? And I love space. And I just thought it would be a really cool way to start a new Commonplace journal. So let's go over to my desk and we're going to try some pens out. Okay, so. All right, so here's the book. Just going to zoom out a little here so you can see it. I'm going to use my Lamy Safari. This is a fine nib, and this has Birmingham Pen Co. in washed papyrus. And this is the company About Blanks. This is a little bookmark card they put in there. So we're going to go all the way to the back. And we're just going to write pen test, ink test. No, this is not washed papyrus. This is washed lavender. Wait, is it washed lavender? No, it's megalodon. I have megalodon in here. Why does that look purple? I think it's my eyes. Okay, let's do Let's do our Dollar Tree special. We'll do Coffee Monsters Co. And this is with the Robert Oster Forgotten Frozen Coffee. And this is in the journaler nib. I think iced coffee. All my inks are Birmingham. Oh wait, I think I have. This is a Sailor ink. I don't know the name of it. Let me see. This is Menyo. And that's a shading ink. That came with this pen, this Sailor pen. Look how beautiful. You know, to receive that, ugh, and the ink is beautiful. All right, any others I should try? Everything else, like literally all my pens, not all of them. Oh, I think I have a Jacques Herbin. We'll try that one. I think I have Jacques Herbin in here. This is my Leonardo. This is Fine. And this is in, I can't think of the name. Okay. The name's not necessary, is it? I guess so. Jacques Herbin in, of course it's not that one. Is it Gris de Nuage? Ugh. Gris Nuage. And that's this one, Gris Nuage. I've been using this one a lot. This is my Jin Hao 10 in the matte black. It has not failed me yet. Birmingham Pen Co. And this is sterling silver. Okay. I think that's a good assortment. So let's zoom in here so you can see. And we're going to flip the page over and see what it looks like. It looks pretty good. It looks really good. What are your thoughts? What do you think? I think they're all winners. And that's a wonderful feeling because I'm not the type of person that will stick to one pen in their journal. I will switch to multiple pens during one journaling session. And, you know, some are a little more juicy. Some are just more, let's try this one. This is a juicy one too. This is Cult Pens. This is Deadly Nightshade. And this is Diamine ink. Cult Pens did the shade, I guess. I think that's it, because I mean, I don't want to keep trying, you know. Maybe we'll do this one. This is the pen that I reviewed. This is the Mon Ami Olika. Olika. Olika? Olika? Mon Ami. And that's in green. And I'll put a little prep in there too. Ooh. Okay, now we should be good. Still beautiful. Still beautiful. A little bit of ghosting. Nothing that I would complain about. I'm going to say the best inks are the 1.25 pen. Megalodon looks pretty good. Also, Sterling Silver looks pretty good too. Jacques Urban. No, the Sailor. The Sailor is good too. They're all good. They're all good. None of them bled through. So that is a plus. So again, if this is something that you're interested in checking out something different, supporting a small business, you know, a lot of smaller stores are carrying these, and you don't get to pick which book that you want. It's basically one size and then what they have available. Sometimes they may offer it, but like I said, this was on the secondary market, so I knew exactly what I was getting, but I can't guarantee that that will happen on any other website. But it's something different. It's a conversation piece. It's, you know, not a regular journal. And I honestly think it would make a great gift. All right, turn back over to myself. All right, everybody. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you got a lot out of the pen test. I was quite surprised. I was quite nervous, actually, to see what inks would be going through the pages, but none of them. Like a little bit of ghosting, but nothing crazy. Nothing that I would be upset about. How's that? So, and these are a lot of the inks that I use. And the color, the page color is off-white. So off-white, I don't know if you guys know or not. Do I have it here? Ooh. Okay, so there is cream tape available. There's cream tape available for Hobonichi paper, and it would be perfect for this too. So if you make a little smudgy, a little boo-boo, and you want to cover it up, this is great. I believe I got this on Amazon or Jet Pens. And this is Whipper or Wiper Cream Tape Plus, 4 mm. And it's just one of those cute little, you know, you just roll it over the section that you want to cover up and it's fine. And it matches the paper perfectly. All right, everybody. I hope you are all doing well. Make sure that you are taking care of yourself so you can take care of others. And I will see you in my next video, whether that be sooner or later. So until next time, goodbye for now. Fill those pens and write those words.